Hey, want to close your Revolut account permanently? I'll show you the exact steps to delete your Revolut account safely in 2025. Step 1. Open your Revolut app. Log into your account and go to the Profile tab. Step 2. Scroll down and select Close Account. You'll find this option at the bottom of the Settings menu. Step 3. Follow the instructions. Revolut will ask why you want to close your account. Select a reason and continue. Step 4. Withdraw any remaining funds. Make sure to transfer all your money out before confirming closure. Step 5. Confirm account closure. Tap Close Account to finalize. You'll receive a confirmation once your account is deleted. Important tips. Closing your account is permanent. You can't recover it later. Cancel any subscriptions or payments linked to Revolut first. Withdraw any remaining cryptocurrencies or stocks before closing. That's it. Your Revolut account is now permanently closed. Like and subscribe for more Revolut guides in 2025.